Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off open links in apps not installed on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let us start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to apps and then tap on it and then tap on choose default apps and then scroll down at the very bottom and you can see here we have opening links. So just tap on it and then come to apps not installed, this section, and in this section you can see here we have open links in apps, this option. So just tap on this toggle button to turn it on or tap on it to turn it off. So when it is turned on, it will open links in apps even if they are not installed. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.